when I'm given a congruency statement, and that's what that statement is, that is fact. I am given that as fact.
Yes.
I can mark the triangles and mark them appropriately, okay? What I like to do is I like to put the second guy right under the first guy. So, angle A goes with angle H, the guy right below him. So that would be 1 tick mark, okay? Angle B would be 2 tick marks, and it goes with angle F, would be 2 tick marks. Got it? And angle G and angle C would be 3 tick marks. Does everybody understand that? Now I hone in on the angles first because it's the easiest thing to see. And now I hone in on the sides. I'm going to mark the sides in green. AC is the side that goes from 1 to 3. So this guy here is equal to this guy here.
Yeah.
CB is the guy that goes from 3 to 2. So this guy here is equal to this guy here. And that means that these guys are equal to each other. Do you see how I marked them? ABC is the guy on the left. So B goes with B, which we know is true because they're what kind of angles? What are those two?
Both the same. So
They're the same because they're what kind of angles?
I don't remember.
It starts with a V, as in victory.
Vertical.
Vertical angles. Very good. And we've got that A goes with D, so they're upside down, and C goes with E. Anybody have any questions on that?
No.
Now I want you to mark your sides. This is my congruency statement, and the angles are easy. A goes with D, B goes with B, and C goes with E. Well, the sides are a little harder, but not horribly hard. AB goes with the letters that are right below it. What letters are below AB? DB. You see it? Over here in my box? Over in my box. So when I mark AB as a 1, I go find DB and mark that as a 1. And now I want to do, let's do another side on this left. So AC. AC, who's underneath A and C? DE. So the 2 tick marks are on DE and AC.